Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to remove a chat from your favorites list on WhatsApp. If you've ever added someone to favorites but later changed your mind, don't worry, it only takes a few simple steps to fix. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Once you're in, give it a moment to load fully so everything is up to date. At the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device, you'll see tabs for chats, status, calls, and of course, favorites. Go ahead and tap on the Favorites tab. Now you'll see a list of all the contacts or chats that you've marked as favorites. Scroll through the list and find the chat you want to remove. When you've found it, press and hold that chat for a second or two. You should see a few icons appear at the top of your screen. This means the chat is now selected. Look to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots menu. From here, select Remove from Favorites. Once you've done that, the chat will immediately disappear from your favorites list. And that's it. You've successfully removed a chat from your WhatsApp favorites. If you ever want to add them back later, you can always return to your chat list, tap and hold the contact, and choose Add to Favorites again. It's quick, simple, and you stay in full control of who appears in your favorites list. Make sure to double check your list afterwards so you can confirm the chat was removed. This helps keep your WhatsApp organized and focused only on the people you contact the most. So now you know exactly how to tidy up your WhatsApp favorites list in under a minute. Thanks for watching.